onward.com to explore the natural wonders of Uganda. Mamerega Nyamuri, 7 kilometers off Poto Ndibujo Road. You can visit Uganda and explore it yourself. Wow!